In this guide, we'll break down the root causes of Xiaomi or Redmi being stuck on the Mi logo, and walk you through reliable fixes to get your phone back to normal. Part 1. Why is Xiaomi or Redmi stuck on Mi logo? The Mi logo freeze during boot usually indicates an issue with the phone's software or hardware. Common causes include system errors. Software crashes or corrupted files can stop the phone from booting. Corrupted update. Failed or interrupted firmware updates may cause a freeze. Cache issues. Corrupt cache data can block the boot process. App conflicts. Certain apps, especially those altering system settings, can lead to boot issues. Hardware malfunctions. Rarely, faulty hardware like a damaged motherboard can be the cause. Part 2. How to fix Xiaomi or Redmi stuck on Mi logo. We've organized the fixes by difficulty and data risk. Start with the first method, no data loss, and work your way down. Only if needed. Always back up data when possible, though some fixes require erasing local files. Solution 1. Force restart your phone. A forced restart is a quick solution for boot glitches, resetting the phone's memory without data loss. Basic force restart. Hold the power button for 10-15 seconds until the phone restarts. If it boots normally, the issue is fixed. Power plus volume up combo. If the first method doesn't work, press both power and volume up buttons for 10-15 seconds. Release when the Mi logo appears. This is effective for issues from interrupted updates or system freezes. Solution 2. Clear cache via recovery mode. Corrupted cache files, temporary system files are a common cause of boot issues. Clearing the cache in recovery mode will delete these files without affecting your photos, apps, or messages. Step 1. Ensure the phone is completely shut down. If it's stuck on the logo, use the forced restart method to turn it off first. Step 2. Press and hold both the power button and the volume up button until the Mi logo appears. Release the power button, but continue holding the volume up button until the MIUI recovery menu appears. Step 3. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe cache partition. Step 4. Press the power button to confirm. Wait for 1-2 minutes for the process to complete. Step 5. Select Reboot System now to restart the phone. Your device should now boot up normally. Solution 3. Use Android Repair. If clearing the cache didn't solve the problem, you can use a dedicated Android repair tool to fix the issue. Android Repair is an easy-to-use software that can fix most Android system problems, including boot loops and phones stuck on the Mi logo. Step 1. Open Android Repair on your computer and connect your Xiaomi phone via USB. Select System Repair. Choose Android as your device type, then click Android Repair now to begin. Step 2. When prompted, select Xiaomi or Redmi as your device brand, then click Start. This ensures Android Repair scans the correct firmware and device-specific repair options. Step 3. Android Repair will detect the correct firmware for your phone, automatically download and prepare the firmware, and then display the details. Once confirmed, click Fix Now to start the system repair. Step 4. Android Repair will run the system repair and show real-time progress. Do not disconnect your phone. Once complete, you'll see a success message, and your device will reboot with the system fully repaired. Solution 4. Fastboot Mode Flash Advanced. Data loss. For persistent issues such as failed custom ROM installations or severe system corruption, flashing the official MIUI firmware via Fastboot mode can help. This will replace the entire operating system with a fresh, official version. Step 1. On a Windows PC, install Mi Flash tool available from Xiaomi's official website and the Xiaomi USB driver. Download the official Fastboot ROM for your Redmi model from Xiaomi's firmware repository. Step 2. Power off your phone. Hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously until you see the Fastboot screen. Step 3. Connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable. Ensure that Mi Flash tool detects your device. It will display your phone's serial number. Step 4. In Mi Flash tool, click Select and choose the folder where you extracted the Fastboot ROM. Ensure the folder path contains no Chinese characters or spaces. Step 5. Click Flash to start the process. Wait 5-10 minutes. Do not disconnect the USB cable until you see a success message on the screen. The phone will automatically restart. The first boot may take a few minutes, but once it finishes, your system will be fully restored.